where you go allow me to touch.
See that bra? 1,6,000 oh. If I go outside say that bra dey stay, wetin dey good for this house? You no go like am.
So I be breeze, abi.
Try am now. My go outside first. I dey come back for you now.
One more word from you, I will smash your head to this wall and you die you fat fool. Shut up! You shut your mouth. Do you know how much I lost that day? Do you? Are you aware? You're here talking rubbish. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. You are the one that caused me in this house. No other person. But who do you expect me to put the blame on? Stupid you.
I swear to God, I swear.
You are still talking. You are still talking. Fat fool. This fool.
Gersh, are you okay? What's wrong? Why are you crying? Somebody talk to me, Carol. Talk to me. Are you okay? Why are you crying?
Pius, thank you. Pius, I don't know if everything is okay. I called Derek last night. He didn't pick up the call. I had to drive down here last night. I knocked at the gate. The gate did nobody opened for me. And there's this place we are supposed to go to. I don't know if he's fine. Is he in?
Allow me there. Allow here two-faced Dibia. Flavor na balea. Helene Nkume. Egam nam responsible Sam. Ozi ayi wetrube wetre na kwampu he. I'm working kisi. I'm gonna buy Korea. I don't know if everything is fine. You didn't get address. Eh? You didn't get address. You go to shame Nandoko. You don't know your room again. If you carry woman, come piam, give coffre. You know what woman.
Pius,
don't Pius. We are quarreling. We are quarreling. If you carry woman, come, you go no road to his room. Now when you know carry woman, come, I want longer address. Eh? You go to shame Nandoko. If you just enter person's house, come and greet him.
Derek.
I'm not going to blame you. This one is a small one. By the time I am done with her, if I go son me, now me one come ask in room, may thunder fire you inside that place. This one is a small one I do. Person will enter rich man's house, you don't want to go again. You must go by force. You the way I make cloth come. So
come on, Pius. What did happen for this house since morning? Eh? Now they hear noise for up. Fight and complain, shouting. What did happen here?
Now you are very hard they do. In fact, you just died this morning. Apams people just drop your cup. Every cup go take your. In fact, you are lying in state. Very soon we'll be leg labanandokwa. Oga hadreganama because I know it will never be well with you. Stupid thing.
No, do you now? Come on, question. Now I just ask you. I know say your own problem na hungry. Maybe na hunger not they catch you, idiot. Common question, I know if you ask.
I don't think I'll continue with this relationship.
Derek, this is unlike you. Like, I'm still marveled at the way you love this girl.
That's the point. I love her so much, and she knows I do. And that's why she's acting silly. Yes. Come to think of it, is she a child? Or are you trying to tell me that she doesn't know how much I spent just for a birthday party? And Matutego, do I pick money?
Derek, I want you to calm down. At the same time, I want you to take everything easy on her.
Talk all the time.
You know, ladies most times, they think at their own detriment. So all I want you to do now is to find a way and make her understand that whatever she's asking for is way, way too much. I feel for you. And I know how it feels when these kind of things are happening on your birthday. I feel for her.
I feel for her too. Yes, don't get it twisted. I feel for her, but is it my fault? Am I to be blamed? The truth is, I am not going to spend a dime again for a birthday party again. I won't. I won't. When you keep making money and you spend it anyhow, you keep throwing it away, you can never be rich.
Sure.
Now, in compensation, to commiserate for whatever happened, the least I can do is take her out on that day, take her shopping, spoil her silly. But for me to throw another birthday party, I will not. I won't. We all are part of the whole embarrassment. She invited people. I also invited people to my girl's birthday party. So is it my fault? Am I to be blamed? Were you not there?
I was.
So the embarrassment is for everybody.
Yeah. Hey. Oh mere mumma, oh mere mumma, oh mere mumma. Yo.
I don't buy the food.
Hey. Nwa kajara akaja. Onye a na-ekwu nwere ife ọ na-eme. Open it.
Take the food.
Open it. Bring it out. Mmiri mkpọ. Ka ụta. Ebe British gbala German. Pia the waterproof apia. Pia fold am. Fold am so that I put this in on top.
And let me buy, let me go serve you.
Now you come. You have done nothing. Sorry.
Pius, he say if I buy and come, you go delete the picture.
You want force me delete am? No, if say na because of this food na deleting food, come carry and go back. You know, green food enter system. We don't dey talk of delete. Make I chop food first, then I go decide what I go do with you. Assume me don't talk, say delete wait. Huh? Hey. How you buy this thing? Not too much.
I buy am for more now.
Granite. Anumpam. Pious. I did from my room, just a hear noise. Who the para give?
They para with my ancestors. They para me open over. I'm gonna hand you, and then when and then when. Binigwa nkato, chukwa biama. Chukwu keke hancha bakotrono. Chukangana mwaha karioka.
This your food look very delicious. Who buy it for you? Because I don't say for your life, eh? You don't buy this kind of food. My guy.
You're waiting. I'll be waiting. Your guy. Because you see food. I will soon be your nigga. Ruby, sorry. I will soon be your mama. Sorry. You're waiting. Me. Your guy. Because you see food. I will soon be your mama. Also your guy.
Come. There is love in sharing, no? And give us never lack. And give shall given unto you.
And there is peace in having your own. When you have your own, you be at peace. Go to Oba and see what thing they happen there. Now the peace of having their own.
Now turkey be this, I've been a cow meat.
No, not Jackie. Yeah, one antelope. I know.
Give me small now.
Nothing is my friend.
My guy.
And I one spoon there here.
My nigga.
Share them.
My nigga.
Share them. Yeah, Operation Feed the Nation. Wow. Oh no. Wait. I'm going to take my best too. Yeah. Open your mouth. Oh, Oba Johnson. Whoa. Yo. Oh. Whoa.
What's it now? No, nonsense. What is it? This is not too much for this household. It's not too much for this household. What do you mean, sir? Eh? You come for best house where you know what to be. Call your body for madam.
Babe, are you hearing him?
What is the problem? What is it? Eh? She can't carry cloth, give me Seneca iron. I tell her, I don't sabi you. She can't use her madam first. Come first me make her iron clothes. Now the clothes don't burn. She come to outside, come to slap with them one anywhere that boy. Pius is okay. It's okay. Return to your duty. Okay, I don't go anywhere. But Kachidek, I must slap her back. Then guy is smart and very good at talking about. Give her you ever to go there. She don't slap me. I must slap her back before I leave this room. Otherwise I will go die here. Pius. I said return to your duty post. I will see to it. Oga, I said I must slap her back before you go see to it. Pius, listen! I cannot listen. She don't listen, slap me. Me, I'm not going to listen, slap you. I must slap her. Pius. Now return to your duty post now! You know the race boy snappy? When I hold on, I'm one happy one. Don't worry. If I don't slap you today, I must slap you tomorrow. Whether I slap today or not, I can cook them like now get out! Get out of here! Don't touch me. So does it mean that I cannot talk to you and you listen to me? I can't tell you to stop and you stop? Without argument?
I'm sorry, babe. But, babe, I'm sorry. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. However.
I don't stop. Pius.
What be that? Pius, what happened now? What's now?
If I don't slap that girl, if I don't slap her back, call me bastard. I must slap her. I must slap her.
Now you want slap?
No be that small nonsense girl walk I carry come here. We no gree go. Eh? What did I do her? Small girl of yesterday, even if she don't want to respect me. Why not she respect her one and you don't know? Why don't you look at my baby? When I say I want to know about Christmas tree, I want to hear something. You have to watch that cat kill me and I see. Look, boy. The thing can't sound like that when my mama they cut canal from village. I don't know when they went on a boy. That's so the thing sound for my ear. The one more Kanya jam red ote. Beauty, woman,
Udu.
Kakan does that.
Hey. Now what you call do this? What you make it get slappy? What you do?
What did I do? What did I do? She said make I help her iron clothes. I tell her say my work for this house now to drive motor, so I not be dry cleaner. She said I must iron her. Now I carry the clothes, put iron for fire. Iron don't hot, soon iron say iron the clothes. Took what say happy iron and go to ten, one your coya with charcoal. The girl looked on awesome. Why? Flame go up or take again me and why? Kaja. Kaja. No good.
See that girl, eh?
I see the cake. I slap her. Oh.
Arachania now, and as Okweba. What did the baby be that girl? They no be one, no be two, no be three. Eh? But that girl, now this girl come here with Oga. Then go buy fish. They chop and saute the fish bowl resemble antenna. This girl get mind, chop everything. Say, if I carry Oga come inside, I can carry plate come out. I reason I don't even see small fish to use console myself. That girl they mean are very wicked. Every time they work at tenanati go be longer like you tell her when no get net when go put rope. Eh? I don't think that girl problem. But cool down. Right? Cool down, relax. Yeah. Sorry, it was so pempelarism. Very, very pempelarism. The girls don't even get respect. No, they even see this your BS. If you say not retire the brush, I be no, say not be. Eh? You show power, I got Koji, Kakobi, Rora. Shut up for chicks, I'm not for this slappy. That you know they go church at all. Sorry, yeah. Come. May I tell you, that gate thing don't invest me for a very long time. I get plan. If I know them, I go punish my landlord. I get plan. I will take remove the gate for this house.
Which plan be that one?
No, they cry. I get plan. Wait, no, na me be Nebuchadnezzar and Ebundinze. Me.
Tell me the plan, because I must remove her from this company. If she no come out, call me bastard. She must come out. She must come out.
No, we go remove her like nail remover. Don't worry yourself.
Tell
See,
me.
I go tell you the plan. But no be now. Unless you have to agree, say you go buy my own portion of food. They open eye. Wait till they worry you. The other day I see you, they chop food here, they swallow the chicken, they swallow bone. You don't even look at my face that very day. Now you know say I be your friend, Abi. Now when they don't knock you think I'm buzzing. You know say this kitchen and book at Neze. Ma call the pity for you, Abi.
The food we see me chop that day, na me buy am.
Who buy am?
I resemble person who go come buy that kind of food. I don't know what they use money do. Not be that small that small nke hinachi wey also. Oh, na him buy the food for me.
You mean Chihuahua?
Yes.
Where she see money?
Ijo mmadụ onye ọkpọ ha nwa ndị bi n'ụlọ elu ha nwa ndị uncle ndị nephew.
Despite that, wait. You know say you I no trust you. I no trust now, so you dey promise affair. Promise me I one day sure. Say you go buy the food.
No be say I get money now, but if immediately madam pay me my salary, me will break. I will just take small money from my salary, then manage am find one food buy for you.
You dey sure, Abi?
I'll go buy am. Ti me guru loko.
Also, that
Oh my god! Derek!
Papa.
She don't go.
Who? Who don't go?
That Uibo witch.
Wachakomaka. No, she never go. I've never seen her.
She see there here.
I never see anybody cross this gate since. Now, look me there here.
Upon everything where I flog her last night.
Who do?
If you see what I flog this girl. Happy was trying to see her lady. I just say by now she go down back.
Now, what's it, Peter? Omruloko. Omruloko.
Calm down, calm down.
Wait, oh.
Calm down, don't go.
They flog you too? Hey! Hey! I tell you before. If I tell you.
How you talk about?
So they don't flog you.
I'm not telling you.
You tell me last night.
Say which way they in this neighborhood?
Hi.
These are mother of witches.
I dey tell you.
What? So they flog you 2 days ago. If you see my body, if I come on my body, they concentrated on my nyash. Hey! You see, the man where they live for this front, now here I come ask this morning. He tell me, say, this house where they have, the reason where the owner no complete them. Now because the winch, they flog the man, the man. If you go to the front of this man now, you go see him grave. Onye bidorula, the same thing. Look at every house over here. This man self where they do, where they roof in house now, they do koi. One better one hatch it. As I beg you, this morning I heard Obiageri. Where the mama they sell firewood for this street. Obiageri don't die. They say they flog her last night. Obiageri won't pay. As I come out this morning, they carry her dead body. They won't go bury.
Can you just shut up? You're making things worse. I've been here all my life and nothing like this have ever happened.
Madam Hapuga, yeah, I would do Ishe Shilo. Now we where there Niger go tell you just come in from Obodo Igbo. They go so remember you who know now turn by turn. And that appear mother Abu Tumbe. They flog me day before yesterday. They flog her today. Tomorrow fee be your own thought. And don't you appear the next time have a house for boy. Even as they come ask me, say, whether the people will get this house. Had you said the foundation of this house, the foundation, and don't want Pious! Machi, a little mind on in here.
April.
Hey! Now today will be 31 of April. Now that day they say they buried these people here. Today na flogging festival. Yaga theater na piano and one apia. Chineke, are you still here? If I be you, where's the next life?
No, please.
Hey, her life is in danger. Oh, thank God. Oganeka. Shut.
Seriously, this whole thing is just strange to me. In my entire life, I've never heard of such a thing.
I swear.
So how come?
Honestly, James, I am confused. Chichi was getting mad at this whole thing. She swore never to return.
Are you serious? Wait. Are you serious with what you just said?
Why would I ever want to lie with such a thing?
Does she think you're involved with it or something?
I don't know. Seriously, I don't.
Maybe I'll try and call her.
That's the worst case of all. But seriously, if you try to call her, she won't take your calls. Because even before she left, the last thing she said that she doesn't want to talk to anybody for now.
So where is she at the moment?
I don't know.
You don't know?
How would I know in the first place? She came back from the hospital, packed all her belongings, and voila! She's gone.
For no reason.
For no just reason.
Okay, fine. Maybe I have to talk to her. You give me her number, so I call her. Maybe whenever she's calm, something can happen.
Okay, fine. I'll be waiting.
Yeah, hello? I'm coming right away. Fine. Derek, I have to rush now to go see somebody. Maybe I can come to the house later today. Alright.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma.
What are you doing up there?
I'm washing the car.
You are washing the car.
Yes,
Pius! Pius!
Yes, ma'am.
Pius,
Yes, ma'am.
what have you been doing since morning that my nephew is the one performing your duties?
Oh, madam, I've been there busy since morning. Work plenty. All these cars with there, I don't wash tire. Plenty work.
Busy.
Yes, ma.
You are busy that you can't perform your duties? Why didn't you ask Nebu to help you out?
ma, I decided to do it.
You decided to do it.
Yes, ma.
Take my things inside.
Yes, ma'am.
If I go inside and come out and you are still there, you will not like what I will do to you.
Nebu, please help me down.
God will punish you. From generation to generation, you no go better for you.
Please, now.
No be you come here say me go lose my job with Pius. No be you. Since when you come here, don't they target you? Now today night God don't catch you.
I'm sorry.
You, since when you come here, right? One bag of fries no even reach 1 month again. 1 month again for this house. See your breast. 1 week, one bag of fries don't finish. You and your sister, that parrot. You know your mama born you. Your papa follow Calabar for travel, abi? Now make you short like this. Carry this motor. Add that with your height.
Try, forgive me. Forgive me, please.
God will punish your mouth.
If you talk to me, I will finish you. So now don't go gossip, abi. Now don't go gossip, abi. Ordinary clean now. Challenge you. Come on, please.
You put us for this problem. I'm going to push you for my work.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.